What's going on? I don't know what it is.
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac, has issued a tornado warning for Monroe County until 6 p.m. At 4:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Dundee and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near, maybe in Oakville around 5 p.m., Schofield around 5:05 p.m., Carlton around 5:15 p.m., Newport around 5:25 p.m., South Rockwood and Estrel Beach around 5:30 p.m. A severe thunderstorm